What's up everyone? It's me, yours truly, John Valencia, and welcome back to Truly Asia Diaries. For today, we're going to do a reaction video para sa requested song ni Belle, diba? Belle Mariano on Wish Boss para sa kanyang performance ng Anong Darat Na, no? O The Moana 2 Roadshow. O alam nga natin si Belle, ang pinakabagong Disney princess ng Philippines who sang the Tagalize or Tagalog version or Filipino version ng theme song ng Moana 2. At excited tayo dyan dahil balita ko nga may sakit pa si Belle dito ha. Hindi maganda ang kanyang pakiramdam pero na-pull off niya daw ang performance na ito. Exciting to guys. But before I proceed, if you're new to the channel, please don't forget to like our video and also subscribe to Truly Asia Diaries. So what are we waiting for? Let's go check this out. Alright, we are playing in 3, 2, 1, and go. Here it is guys, Moana 2 Roadshow. Naku, masama pakiramdam ni Belle dito ha, pero tignan natin. Wish exclusive. Ay, daming tao. Samoa to no. Oh, Samoa yan. In fairness, daming tao. Ay, ganda ni Belle, ang fresh. Ay, live. Hold on guys ha. First of all, I want to commend the outfit ni Belle. Very Moana plus the hairstyle. Naka-ano ba dito? Naka-extension siya. Sobrang haba ng buhok niya. But bagay na bagay. Very Moana look. And the vocal. Ito ba may sakit guys? Grabe. So soothing vocal. Angelic. Dito tulad ng noon. Hangin at alon nilalayo. The switching. Ganda ni Belle. Oh, diba? Give na give si Belle. Pero medyo nasal nga, no? Medyo feeling, na obvious na nagne-nasal si Belle. But hindi naman ganun ka-evident. But she's still pulling it off. At nakita niyo naman, fresh na fresh pa din. Balikan natin.
Di ba malilikaw? Anong daratan? Pag iniwan ang mahal, aming lahi, aming bukas, di alam. Anong daratan?
Diba guys? Grabe. In fairness kay Belle, very professional. As a singer, charit, as a someone who can sing, diba? Na nga natin na nagne-nasal si Belle kasi feeling ko meron siya sigurong ubo or sipon pero she's still pulling it off and fresh na fresh pa rin siya tignan.
May tadhanang nanunugo simula pa lamang
nakaupo pa yan ha.
Damdamang isugat pinaghirapan na tinatawa at susundan kung aalis paalam ba'y walang hanggan.
High notes. Go Belle. First time niya ba ito mag-wish? Ay parang hindi, no? Grabe guys, alam nyo, very heartfelt and genuine the way she's singing it. You can feel, no, yung emotion ng song, she is really giving it. And tulad ng sabi ko kanina, hindi ata to first time ni Belle sa Wish. Maano lang ako mag-isip. Charit.
Kapag iniwan siyang bigla, maintindihan kaya.
Kaya mo yan, Belle!
May darat na Dahil alam aking pinagmulan.
Ang ganda ng buhok niya. Ah, eh.
Sa sarili ay tapat sa pagkuhan. Ahayo, nalayo, ng puso, may
Na full off ni Belle, in fairness. There you have it, guys. That is Belle Mariano singing Anong Daratnan, the theme song of Moana 2 on Wish Bus. Live na live. Oo, kahit may sakit na pull off. At talaga naman napatunayan ni Belle that she is a new Disney princess. Diba? Nakita naman natin, she sang it genuinely with heart and naitawid niya. Oo, diba? Na obvious natin na merong nasal vocal na ginagamit sa Belle kasi syempre mahirap yun kapag masama yung pakiramdam mo or may sipon ka or may ubo ka. It's really hard to sing but she was able to nail it and fresh na fresh. Ang ganda nung hair niya, in fairness. Is that an extension, guys? You can comment down below. And the outfit, very, very Moana. At talaga naman genuine ang ating Belle. Kaya naman genuine din ang ating pagmamahal sa kanya at support. At syempre, sana genuine din ang pag-like niya sa video natin for today. And also, don't forget to subscribe to True Asia Diaries. Once again, my name is John. This is True Asia Diaries. I'll see you on my next one. Spread happiness, guys. Bye for now.
You